Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 3 and the name of the lesson is government. So on page number 13, picture number 3.1, some newspaper headlines are there which is related to government. So please go through it. You must have come across the word government in newspapers, radio and TV. What is government? What functions does it perform and what is its importance in our life? We will study about the government in this lesson. You must be aware that our country needs a government to make laws as per its constitution, take decisions and implement them. For example, where should schools and roads be constructed? Should the rates of different communities be increased or decreased? How to ensure that electricity is supplied to everyone? Decisions such as these are usually taken by the government. Thus, the government performs a very important function. We come to know about the government's work through the media. Now, the topic is functions of the government. So, I will explain you in point wise. The first point resolves economical and social problems. Second point, take care of the financial condition of the country. Third point, manage issues like poverty, unemployment, literacy ratio, sex ratio, health and lifestyle of citizen, etc. Fourth number, maintain friendly relation with other countries. Fifth number, provide facilities and amenities to citizen like ration shops, educational institution, hospitals, emergency aid, judiciary, transportation, post, railway, etc. Number 6, maintain law, peace and order in the nation so as to make the nation on a path of progress and development. Thus, the government functions like a managing committee. It always works for the welfare of the people. Now, the next topic is importance of the government. The government is necessary to ensure that the law is same for everyone. It frames laws and sees that it is implemented by the concerned authorities and the police. A very important function of the government is to make rules and regulation whenever there is a public gathering. The government thus plays a vital role in maintaining law, order, and peace and also ensures the development of the nation. Next topic is the government at different levels. So, first let me say you the different levels of the government. So, the government works at 3 different levels and they are local level, state level, national level. Now, local level, the government body that operates at village, town or city level is called local government. Then state level, the government body that rules and manages an entire state is called state government. Next is national level, the government body that maintains law, peace and order and takes up work related to the entire nation is called national or central government. Now, needs for the different levels. So, India is a vast country. Naturally, the government has several huge responsibilities. It is bound to provide amenities as well as security to its citizen. If all the administration is done from one place by the government, there will be several problems for the government. It won't be able to manage issues of one corner by sitting at other. Neither would the government be able to fulfill its commitment towards the citizen, nor would the citizen be able to take benefits of the government. Hence, the government has divided its work at different levels. This makes easy and speedy and efficient management for the country. Now, student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.